Imagine creating a viral video in just minutes, not hours, using a single prompt. It might sound unbelievable. What if I told you there's a tool that can transform a simple idea into a captivating short, ready to dazzle audiences on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts? This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Intrigued? Let's dive into the secret of revolutionizing your content game. Unlocking the power of Nitto AI. Let's start with Nitto AI. This innovative platform allows you to enter a single prompt and generate an entire video from it. Unlike other tools that offer brief clips, Nitto can produce videos ranging from 1 to 20 minutes. And here's the best part. It supports multiple languages and even allows you to use your own voice. To begin, head over to nitto.com. In the right corner, click on Settings and enable beta features. This unlocks the latest updates and tools within the platform. Once set up, it's time to train your voice. This feature lets Nitto replicate either an AI-generated voice or your own. Simply upload a 30-second recording of you speaking, following the prompts precisely to ensure accurate voice capture. With your settings and voice ready, you're all set to create videos. Click on Create New and select the Nitto AI version 2.0 model. This version offers more languages, improved voice options, and the ability to handle longer prompts. For instance, if you're creating a YouTube short, you can use a Mad Lib-style fill-in-the-blanks prompt, simplifying the process by eliminating the need to think about every detail. Crafting the perfect prompt. Let's say you want to create a fast-paced YouTube short about the strangest-looking animals on the planet. You can set the background music to be silly and playful. Specify English as the language, and add a good dose of humor. You could even choose to narrate with your own voice and add bold subtitles with a popping effect for extra engagement. There's an option to add a watermark too, which is great for branding. Nitto will generate the prompt for you based on the details you provide. For instance, it might come up with, create a fast-paced YouTube short about the strangest looking animals on the planet. Make the background music silly and playful. The language should be English with a lot of silly humor. After just a few minutes, your video is ready. Reviewing and perfecting your video. Once the video is generated, it's time for review. Imagine receiving a quirky video featuring animals like the axolotl, the eye, and the blobfish. Each segment is designed to be both entertaining and informative. But what if there are issues with the video? No worries. Nitto offers 2 ways to fix them, using natural language commands or manually editing the script. For example, if the audio pauses awkwardly, you can simply delete the word pause from the text, and the video will update accordingly. If the visuals don't match the narration, you can search for more relevant clips and replace them, ensuring your video is both accurate and engaging. You can also change the background music if it doesn't fit the tone of your video. Nitto provides a variety of music options, including tracks from the YouTube audio library to avoid copyright issues. Plus, if you want to reach a broader audience, you can easily generate the same video in different languages with just a simple command. Captivating audiences with fun facts. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Let's add some fascinating facts to capture your audience. Did you know that the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish, isn't actually a fish? It's a salamander that never fully matures, like a teenager forever stuck in the water. Or how about the eye from Madagascar? With its big buggy eyes and long creepy fingers, it looks like it stepped straight out of a Halloween special. And then there's the blobfish, often named the world's ugliest animal. It resembles a grumpy old man with a body made of jelly. These quirky facts and visuals not only add entertainment value, but also make your video more shareable and engaging. Leveraging AI for maximum engagement. Using AI like Nitto doesn't just make video creation easy. It's a powerful tool for maximizing engagement. By crafting detailed and specific prompts, you can tailor content precisely for your target audience. For instance, if you're targeting animal lovers, focus on fun and quirky animal facts. For a broader audience, include elements of comedy and surprise to keep viewers hooked. One secret to creating viral content is tapping into trends and current events. AI tools help you quickly generate content that's relevant and timely. For example, if there's a trending topic about a particular animal or a viral challenge, you can create a video about that theme. The ability to generate videos rapidly allows you to stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on trends as they unfold. Optimizing and monetizing your content. Nitto also offers tools to optimize your videos for different platforms. You can create videos in landscape or vertical formats, depending on where you plan to post them. The platform even has an iOS app, enabling video creation on the go. This flexibility is crucial for maintaining a consistent posting schedule and reaching your audience wherever they are. If you're serious about content creation, consider upgrading to one of Nitto's paid plans. This removes the watermark, gives you access to high-quality assets, and unlocks the voice cloning feature. With a paid plan, you can produce professional-grade videos that stand out from the crowd. Plus, using the link in the description and my coupon code MW50, you'll get double the credits for your first month. Elevate your content with AI. Creating viral shorts with AI is not only possible, but incredibly fun and rewarding. Platforms like Nitto AI allow you to transform a simple prompt into a captivating video that has the potential to reach millions. The key is to be creative, stay relevant, and experiment with different styles and formats. The more you play around with the tools, the better you'll get at creating engaging content. So, what are you waiting for? Give Nitto AI a try and start making your own viral shorts today. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, this tool can help you elevate your game and reach new heights. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.